See here, we have a different piece, which I really like because you see the darkness of the inside of the wood is really came out, like from black to gray over to the oak color. And there you have some wonderful nuts, which we would like to fill out with a color that we think matches very nice to that. So what you want to do is, you want to take, and this is the bigger gun where you can set the temperature. 170 degrees is perfect for the nut filler. And then you take the color that you want. I took this, in this case, I took the gray brown color, nut filler color in gray brown, brand new color that we have. We really like it. It gives some really nice accents to the wood. So what do you want to be sure of? You want to be sure that you have a cooling metal nearby because you want to use it pretty quick. You simply fill up the nut like that, and the surrounding like that, and then you want to squeeze it once. Just leave it. Take another one. And then you can, in the meantime, you can make the other ones here, like that. Just squeeze it once, leave it. This one was very thin in the top layer, so this one goes very, very fast. It's already done. And you take the professional knife and you simply knife it off. Nice and easy, like that. Like that. And you will see results. You can see the results almost right away. What I'm doing is I'm sanding the surface. So, like that. And this one should be ready now. Even though it was a little bit deep, it's already dry. And you simply take the surface away like that. And you already see the result. This one you see is not sanded, so there you see it actually, this is how it looks after oil. And if you take the neighbor nut in consideration that is sanded, that is ready to get oil. And this is how it looks when it has been oiled, for example. Let's do the other two. And even a big, really big nut like this, simply fill. You got the capacity, and it's quite easy. Take the small one next to it to fill it like that, and then just simply put your cooling metal on top and leave it. Now it's been a couple of minutes. Now it's cooled off, and we're ready to take the surplus away. Take the small one first. And now the big one. Now we can sand it. And now you see, now I really sanded it so the wood dust sits firmly in the top of the repair. Now it's ready for oil. Okay, and now we're going to put some oil on it. This gives really a great look.